can see the incoming messages to your WhatsApp API number and reply to them. Click on Unified Team Inbox. So now this is a team inbox, and by default the Mine tab would get opened, and Mine will only show chats which are assigned to you. You need to simply go to all, click on all. Now all of your contacts would be visible here, and you can click on any of the contact, and as soon as you click on it, the contact will get assigned to you. And then in future, if you load the inbox, you will see all of the contacts which are assigned to you in the Mine tab. Next, the user's WhatsApp name comes here by default. You can see the WhatsApp name, and then if you want to reply to the user, you can simply reply by sending a message here. The second important thing is, if a user is assigned to an agent, the automations won't work. The bot flows won't work. So as soon as your task is done with the user, simply click on these three dots and then click on mark as done. So this is how you can see all the incoming messages to your WhatsApp API number and reply to them. One more very important information: if the user the time from the user's incoming message has crossed 24 hours, or they have not initiated any message to you, then you can only send template messages to the user. You can simply click on the template option here, select any of your pre-approved templates, fill in all the variables, and then click on send. Once you have sent the message, again you can mark as done. So the bot can basically take over if there is a keyword or bot flow set. Thank you.